How to convert Outlook email into PDF. Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we will be guiding you on that, so let's just get started without any delay. You may just head over and open up your Outlook application on your desktop, and you may select up the email that you would like to convert into PDF. For example, this right here. So all you gotta do is once you've selected your email like this, you will be finding it in this interface on your screen. You may look out for the file option at the top left once it is selected, and look out for this print option within on your left hand side. And it gives you option to print it out. So what you need to do is from this printer option, drop it down, select the option of Microsoft Print to PDF, and look out for this print option, and it gives you option like in which folder you would like to save it. So for example, if I would like to save it here, you can just go and type in test.pdf. After that, save type as PDF and click on save, and it will save. Once this is done, you can head over, locate at the file location, and look out for your PDF, and there you go. There is a PDF version of the email from your Outlook that you're looking for. So this is the method you can follow up in order to do it. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.